memory when I'm gone. When I'm gone, will you take out all the photographs? Maybe spend some moment in the past when I'm gone. Will you miss me in the night? Will your arms reach out to hold me tight and keep me in your dreams, in your heart, in your love?